Hello, my name is Bry'Anne Rose, and today I'm going to be talking about online communication, specifically how to create an email address. To help guide me with my instruction on how to create an email address, I use an ISTE standard. These standards describe the skills and knowledge that you will need to be able to learn effectively in a digital society. For this lesson, I focused on communication and collaboration, which is what email is all about. ISTE describes communication and collaboration that students will be able to use digital media and environments to communicate and work collaboratively, including at a distance to support individual learning and contribute to the learning of others. Specifically, learners will be able to interact, collaborate, and publish with peers, experts, or others employing a variety of digital environments in media. Next, we are going to discuss the various types of online communication. First, we are going to talk about chat rooms. Chat rooms is an interactive online space or website where individuals get together at the same time to send one another public or private messages. You are able to read messages live and write to one or all of the individuals. You can contribute to an online discussion or start a new topic and invite others to join. Inner Chat Room, Zobi, Chat Roulette, and Teen Chat are some current popular chat rooms. Second are forums. Forums allow users to post questions or discussion topics and invite community members to respond and react. Forums can be public or restricted to certain individuals. Forums are moderated by an administrator who facilitates and watches over the discussion to keep it flowing. Some examples of forums are Warrior Forum, Digital Point, Narialand, and Web Hosting Talk. Next, we are going to talk about social networks. Social networks are spaces on the internet where people can put personal information up about themselves. They can talk about their interests or their family. You are able to freely post your thoughts and opinions. You can also post photos or videos to the public. You are also able to send private messages to others. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat are all forms of social networks. The last form of online communication that we're going to talk about is email. Email is electronic mail. It has the capability to allow individuals to communicate, receive, send files, and also transfer photographs. An email contains two parts, a username, which you create, and a domain name or a server name, combined by the @ symbol. Some examples of domain or server names include Yahoo, Comcast, iCloud, and Google, which is what we will use as an example to get us started. Google is a domain name or server name that we will use to create our email address. So what you want to do is just go ahead and click here. Once you're at Google, you want to click over here to sign in, and then we're going to create an account. So you just want to put your name, your information in. We'll just do John Smith for an example. And then this is your username that you create. Now this can be anything you would like. You can do letters, numbers, or periods. Okay, and then you create a password. And you want to confirm your password. So you just re-enter it twice. Put in your birthday. Okay, your gender. You don't have to put in your phone if you do not like to. And we don't currently have an email address, so we're not going to do that. You have to prove that you're not a robot by entering this in, 2547, the little code right there. And then you just want to check this mark. You agree to the Google terms. And you hit next step. And it takes a while to process here. Okay, and we just had some difficulties, but we're good to go. So right here you can just continue. It says welcome John. Then you want to go up here to your Gmail. This computer is a little slow, so it is taking some time, so just bear with me here. It is loading, and you can just exit out of all these. Those will tell you how to get started, but for this you can just compose something. I'm going to teach you how to compose something, so let's send an email to someone. Put in their email address with their user and domain name. We'll say photos. Down here you can attach a file, and we will attach a photograph, for example. Okay. You write in here the space. Cannot type today. Just type in your message. Then you just hit send. And you sent your email. It says your message has been sent. Right here are some things that the domain offers, which is YouTube, a Google Drive, photos, maps. So they have some interesting things in here that you could play with as well. So now we're going to go back to here. Next, I would like to just test you guys' knowledge and just ask you a couple quiz questions. Which is a type of online communication? Email, forums, chat rooms, social networks, or all of the above? I'm going to select all of the above. Let's check that. And that is correct. Which one is an email domain name? Facebook.com, teenchat.com, google.com, digitalpoint.com, or all of the above? Since we talked about google.com, I think I'm going to select that one. And let's submit it. Ooh, that's correct. The last question is an email address consist of a username and a domain name? True or false? I'm going to go with true. Let's check that. Yay, 3 out of 3. We got 100%. Last but not least, here are my references. I hope that this was a helpful experience and that I was able to help you to create an email address. I encourage all of you to check out the different forms of online communication that we talked about today. Thanks for watching.